I'm jumping straight in and co-washing my hair with my Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner. My twists are still in my hair, so I'm just co-washing with my twist still in. I'm making sure I'm massaging my scalp from my ends to my roots, and I'm just going to co-wash and get my hair as moisturized as possible. So this how I look. I'm just gonna go through with my Ricky. You know, it's an oldie but goodie. Not that much. And I'm gonna just take my oil. So, take my ponytail holder. I'm gonna be starting from the back and working my way up. Probably look like it don't have any kind of order. That's because I do not part my hair. So this was the size of my twists. However, I want them a little bit smaller than this, so I'm a downside. I'm really mainly today gonna be taking one of my twists and just splitting it into two and then making it two twists. So that's the goal today. That's what I'm doing. Okay, all right, let go. I already kind of moisturized my hair with my leave-in and my oil and the styler I'll be using today. It's full of shea butter, so it's gonna moisturize my hair real good. Yeah, but I'm just gonna split these into two. Should you see? I'm just feeling and touching, so my parts are probably not gonna be like perfect, but it's okay. I'm not tripping. I got two even pieces. And if you seen my twist video, I twist the same way, but the sections are just smaller. That's it. Just kind of twist. There's one twist. And it'll shrink up, but as you can see, it's smaller than, like, say, this twist. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna just do throughout the entire video. I'm gonna do this one. Never had any lip cap on my lips. It's alright though. Still cute. See, these two twists are done. It was one twist, now it's split into two. I'll see y'all when I get to the top of my head. I'll be back. Y'all, finally made it to the front. It actually took longer than I expected. I've now been doing my twists for 2 hours, so I'm coming back because I am at the very front. And as you can see, the difference in between my twists. And so now I'm just gonna show you how I do the ones in the front. Just watch. This is the front of my head. I usually like to lay my edges down. And I'm being very careful. I'm going as slow as possible when I take these twists down so that my hair do not tangle or knot up. Also in the front, I am putting water, like more water on my hair so that the product can actually dissolve and not flake up on my hair. Because because that has been an issue with the gel and cream mix that I have been using. Let me know what y'all would like to see next on my next couple of videos, whether there's any kind of routines, any kind of hairstyles, any kind of talk with me. Just let me know what kind of videos would y'all prefer. Last twist. So I am done. I am finished. I am complete. I have made it to the finish line. I did make my twist smaller, so keep that in mind. So that's why it did take me a little longer. If I was going for the same size, it probably would have took me a little less time. It did take me about 2.5 hours. These are my twists. Once my hair is completely dry, I will show you some styles you can do with this. This is a great protective style for the summertime, wintertime, whenever. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. So, if you made it this far to the end of this video, comment in the section below, # bunny gang. But yeah, y'all, after I plait my hair in these 4 sections, I usually just put my bonnet on and go to sleep. I usually don't put any other products on my hair due to me not wanting any product buildup. I am stretching my hair so that my hair will be stretched for these upcoming hairstyles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.